Hello and welcome back to the second part of the top 5 best freelance websites that will help you find work in 2023. If you're a freelancer, or if you're thinking about becoming a freelancer, then this video is for you. We're going to be discussing 5 of the best freelance websites that you can use to find work. Welcome to MoneyExp YouTube channel as we teach you how to make money online and saving tips. Now, let's get started with the first one on our list, Upwork. The first freelance website that I want to talk about is Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelance marketplaces in the world, and it offers a wide variety of freelance jobs in a variety of industries. Whether you're a writer, a web developer, a graphic designer, or anything else, you're likely to find freelance work on Upwork. There are a few tips that you can do to increase your chances of success on Upwork. First, make sure that your profile is up to date and that you have a strong portfolio of your work. Second, be sure to bid on jobs that are a good fit for your skills and experience. And finally, be sure to communicate with potential clients and provide them with excellent customer service. Here are some tips for using Upwork. 1. When bidding on jobs, be sure to set your rates competitively. You don't want to undervalue your skills, but you also don't want to price yourself out of the market. 2. Read the job descriptions carefully before bidding on a job. Make sure that you understand the requirements of the job and that you have the skills and experience necessary to complete it. 3. Communicate with potential clients promptly and professionally. Answer their questions in a timely manner and be clear about your availability. 4. Provide excellent customer service. This means meeting deadlines, delivering high-quality work, and being responsive to feedback. Toptal. Toptal is a freelance platform that connects businesses with top talent in business, design, and technology. Toptal's talent pool is made up of the top 3% of freelance professionals in the world, and they are vetted through a rigorous screening process. To get started on Toptal, you need to create a profile and submit a portfolio of your work. Once your profile is approved, you can start applying for jobs. Toptal's clients are some of the biggest names in the world, so you'll have the opportunity to work on some amazing projects. Here are some tips for using Toptal. When creating your profile, be sure to highlight your skills and experience. When applying for jobs, be sure to tailor your application to the specific job. Be responsive to client feedback. Deliver high-quality work on time and within budget. If you're a freelancer looking for high-quality work with top-tier clients, then Toptal is the right platform for you. Toptal is also a great option for businesses looking to hire top talent. PeoplePerHour. PeoplePerHour is a freelance marketplace that connects businesses with freelancers. It was founded in 2007 and is headquartered in London, England. To get started on PeoplePerHour, you need to create a profile and submit a portfolio of your work. Once your profile is approved, you can start bidding on jobs. PeoplePerHour's clients are from all over the world, so you'll have the opportunity to work on a variety of projects. Here are some tips for using PeoplePerHour. When creating your profile, be sure to highlight your skills and experience. When bidding on jobs, be sure to set your rates competitively. Read the job descriptions carefully before bidding on a job. Make sure that you understand the requirements of the job and that you have the skills and experience necessary to complete it. 4. Communicate with potential clients promptly and professionally. Answer their questions in a timely manner and be clear about your availability. 5. Provide excellent customer service. This means meeting deadlines, delivering high-quality work, and being responsive to feedback. Designhill. Designhill is a great option for freelancers who want to get hired by businesses and individuals looking for design work. It is a creative marketplace that connects businesses and individuals with designers and artists. Designhill was founded in 2009 and is headquartered in Austin, Texas. Here are some tips for using Designhill to get hired. 1. Create a strong profile. Your Designhill profile is your first impression to potential clients, so it's important to make sure it's strong. Be sure to highlight your skills and experience, and include a portfolio of your work. 2. Bid on projects that are a good fit for you. When bidding on projects on Designhill, be sure to only bid on projects that are a good fit for your skills and experience. This will increase your chances of winning the project. 3. Be responsive to client feedback. Once you're hired, be sure to be responsive to client feedback. This will show that you're a professional and that you're committed to delivering high-quality work. 4. Deliver high quality work on time and within budget. This is the most important tip for getting hired on Designhill. If you can deliver high quality work on time and within budget, you'll be a valuable asset to any client. Here are some additional tips for using Designhill. 1. Set competitive prices. When bidding on projects, be sure to set competitive prices. This will make you more likely to win the project. 2. Promote your work. Be sure to promote your work on social media and other platforms. This will help you get more exposure and attract more clients. 3. Be patient. It may take some time to get hired on Designhill. Be patient and keep bidding on projects. Eventually, you'll start winning projects and building a successful freelance business. If you're a freelancer who is looking for design work, then Designhill is the right platform for you. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a premium online job service for professionals seeking flexible work, specializing in full-time and part-time remote jobs, employee and freelance jobs, and on-site jobs with flexible, part-time, and alternative schedules. To get started on FlexJobs, you need to create a profile and pay a monthly subscription fee. Once your profile is created, you can start searching for jobs. FlexJobs has a team of researchers who hand-screen all of the jobs on the site to ensure that they are legitimate and offer flexible work arrangements. There are many benefits to using FlexJobs, including: jobs are vetted and screened. FlexJobs has a team of researchers who hand-screen all of the jobs on the site to ensure that they are legitimate and offer flexible work arrangements. Easy to use. FlexJobs platform is easy to use, and you can start searching for jobs right away. Here are some tips for using FlexJobs. 1. When creating your profile, be sure to highlight your skills and experience. 2. When searching for jobs, be sure to use the filters to narrow down your results. 3. Read the job descriptions carefully before applying for a job. Make sure that you understand the requirements of the job and that you have the skills and experience necessary to complete it. 4. Communicate with potential clients promptly and professionally. Answer their questions in a timely manner and be clear about your availability. 5. This means meeting deadlines, delivering high-quality work, and being responsive to feedback. Provide excellent customer service. This means meeting deadlines, delivering high-quality work, and being responsive to feedback. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in your journey to start working as a freelancer. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.